JBL love a series, and if you've been keeping up with the audio giant, you probably know this already. The Charge 5, wouldn't you know, is the 5th iteration of their do-it-all portable Bluetooth speakers that's packing more features than its last iteration, but surprisingly with a couple of changes. The JBL Charge 5 is a portable speaker that stands at 220 by 95 by 93 millimeters. It's cylindrical in shape and stands on its side, as there is a flat rubber plate on the base. It's covered in a mixture of rubber and fabric, giving it a nice IPX7 rating, meaning it can be submerged in water, and is also dust-proof this time round. On the front, JBL's branding has been updated to give it a much nicer finish and looks a lot more modern than just slapping a JBL badge on the front. It's complemented by a status light on the front, which lights up when you press one of the buttons on top. Now, speaking of buttons, they're quite simple. You've got your play and your pause buttons, as well as separate volume buttons. The circle-like button to the left is JBL's Party Boost button, which is a feature that lets you link up to 100 JBL speakers together to fill your house or even the beach with sound, though you can't connect a Party Boost speaker to a Connect Plus speaker. Directly in the center, you've got a power button and a Bluetooth button which light up, giving a tasteful flair to the actual speaker. Round back, things have changed slightly with the Charge 5 from older generations. Under the rubberized flap, you can find a USB Type-A port, so you can keep your phone charged while playing music, and right next to that you've got your USB-C input for charging the speaker itself and keeping it powered. Unfortunately, there was no plug in the box, so you'll have to rely on a mobile phone charger or plugging it into your PC to charge it, but that's no big deal in my opinion, saving on that plastic wastage and all that. There's also no 3.5mm aux input for wired music playback either. Is this a problem? Maybe, but in this day and age, if you're not using Bluetooth for a speaker like this, you're doing something wrong, of which, by the way, it can receive a Bluetooth 5.1 signal, and in total you'll get around 20 hours worth of playback, which is plenty for a day trip to the beach in my opinion, and well into the evening to keep the party going. But of course, this is going to be lessened if you are charging your phone from it while playing music. The JBL Charge 5, I'm going to say now, for the size of this speaker, sounds absolutely phenomenal. And if you're looking for something to throw in a bag for your summer holidays, to play music in your hotel room before your big night out, or if you're chilling down on the beach at a barbecue in the garden, that kind of thing, this hits the spot. It features a 52 by 90mm bass driver for its two 65mm bass radiators that can be found on either side of the barrel shape and literally shake when you begin to turn the volume up, and a 20mm dome tweeter, which is new this time around and it wasn't around on the Charge 4, to handle all of those higher frequency sounds. Now, all of that mixed together gives this portable speaker such a full sound when playing music. Listen to this example here, stick your headphones on, and I know it's literally a recording of the speaker, but we've tried our best to give you a very much unedited experience of what this speaker sounds like. Now, I don't have Tidal or listen to top-notch uncompressed music like some audiophiles out there. I am a Spotify guy, Bluetoothing Spotify to the speaker from my phone, and I was so impressed at its peak volume and the lack of distortion that came with it. The Charge 5 is an extremely capable speaker no matter what you throw at it, whether it's the Prodigy's deep bass pumping audio or Pavarotti's vocal led Nissan Dorma. Is it going to blow audio files away? No, it's not, but I don't feel like that's its intention. JBL has produced a fantastic speaker for those wanting a bit of power and some decent quality music for their events. The JBL Charge 5 can be purchased in a number of colours too, including a bright red and a cool camo colour, though I'm not sure why on JBL's website the black and blue versions are £20 cheaper. Why? I don't know, it just seems odd. Thank you very much for checking out our video review of the JBL Charge 5 portable Bluetooth speaker. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like button. Please subscribe to keep up with our latest tech and gaming videos, and let us know in the comments down below what you think of the new Charge 5. If you're a previous user of the Charge speakers, you know, the Charge 1, 2, 3, 4, if you've used those before, would you upgrade to the 5? Let us know in the comments down below. As I say, thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.